Is this off? No, he must have got off. You hear that?
Yeah.
He must have got off, bro.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hold it.
Oh, see he jump out. Oh.
Get the ones in. Get the close ones in. Woo-hoo-hoo! Get him in, Dave. Get him in.
See him jumping?
Get him in, Dave. You.
He's going nuts out there, bro.
Yeah, she's going. Get him in. Get that rigger in. Oh yeah.
See him jump?
Oh, he was going berserk.
We almost had a double hookup.
Yeah, that one got hit, bro. Oh, fuck. Where did it cut? Oh my god. We just lost a good lure.
No, if you want to drive towards it.
Nah, she's alright.
Good?
I want to keep away from the FAD. Oh yeah, this is good size.
Yeah, he was solid.
Fuck, we actually lost that other one, hey?
Yeah. He hit like a...
I didn't do that knot, hey?
He hit like a freight train. I think he sliced you way before the knot.
Oh, look at this boy. Get that gaff out for sure. Oh, good size fish. Good size dolly.
Jesus! That's a nice one, dude. That's a big fish. Alright, you bring him up here.
Try to get his head, yeah?
Right on his head.
The hole in his mouth is huge by now. So we're just watching.
It's big.
Oh yeah, get that big head of his.
Oh, Jesus.
Nice fish, Dave. Oh, I love it when they hit the riggers. Fuck, we got dusted on that other rod.
That purple again.
Oh, mate, I'm telling you.
Probably with anything else.
Oh, I'm gonna get a cute couple more of these guys.
I can get rid of that.
Right, just another run up. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. He's got a bit more balls and
He's strong, isn't he?
he's strong. Very strong, Dave.
He's big, dude. It's a beautiful fish.
Who knows how big that fish was that cleaned up that other one.
Yeah, we'll go back and get another one. He's trying to go under, is he?
Good. Keep that gaff in. Keep the gaff in him.
Oh!
Keep that gaff in him. Yeah, big dog. That's a fucking mahi, man. Oh, look at the king's chasing. King on.
Oh,
Kingy. On the surface lure. On the surface lure, boys. Woohoo! Oh, is that an AJ? That's an AJ. Oh!
Oh, king.
Oh, it's a kingy! On the fucking surface lure! Woo!
Oh, shit.
Go, boys, go. Don't cast out the FAD.
Don't pass at the FAD.
Nah, just because. Look at the bus up, look at the bus. Ready? Watch this, watch this. Woohoo!
I don't think this fucking...
Is this recording yet? Don't worry, I got 3 FAD places, boys. Kingies, bro. Kingies on the surface. Oh, yeah, there's something jumping there. Come on, hit it, hit it. Oh, yeah, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh, boy, someone have a go here. Hey, Pity, have a go at this. Kingies! I've never had surface kingies. Look at this! Look at them chase it! Look at them! Look at it hit it! Look at them hit it! Woohoo! There's a mahi jump. Mahi jumping. Oh shit! Look at that shit! Look at that! Look at that kingy!
That's sick.
He's buck, boys. Oh, boys. Chuck it at that FAD. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, Bennett. Is that a, oh, it's a mahi. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, yeah, Bennett's on, Bennett's on. Fish on.
Oh! You went too hard on him.
Too hard, bro. Yep. Oh, she's got blood already. Go for it, bro. Let him sink. Oh, whoops.
You straight in?
Chuck him in. Where's the fatty? Oh, yeah. Where are you? Oh, yeah. Already? Nah, come on. Come on, one of us. Go on. Think so. Mine's sweating a bit too. There we go. Oh, there we go, there we go. Got him. Oh, it's got a bit of heat on him. Oh, yeah, it's nice. Come on, it's your turn, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, just watch your line, brother. Where are you? Above or below? Above or below? Above or below?
I'm above.
Yeah, go.
Oh, I'm above.
Yeah. Good. Woo! Jesus, man. Oh, he's only a little guy, but we'll take him.
It's water or fun today?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Go on.
Hang on, I might have gone under you.
Under or over?
I'm under.
Yeah, no worries. Oh, shit. Right, bring mine over here. Yeah, boy. I can't, bro. No? I can't. I'm mid-gaff, I'm mid-gaff. Yeah, but that one's very hard to do, solo. Hold on, mate, I'll come with you. Oh boy, you gotta stop fucking swimming back here, eh? Yeah. You got a gap?
Yeah, gas.
Orange. You don't fuck around, do you, though?
That's alright, don't worry about it. I got it. Oh, fuck.
Three-way, is it a three-way?
Yeah, it's a three-way.
Get into it, Panda. Who gives a shit? It's gonna be fucking messy. Oh, you're going gap?
Oh, there's bacon.
Whatever's good, don't mind. Can you go behind me? Oh no, you're good, Dave. You're good. Gaff, please. Bleed him, make sure you bleed him. Yeah, just chuck him in the kill tank for now, it's all good. Oh.
Ready? I'll get rid of his foot for you. No, bro. Slippery ass.
I'll spray it from the front there, Panda.
Settle down,
Oh man, you can see the fucking gap.
Hold up.
Roof now.
You found
The
it.
entire fucking, I had it in a storage shed.
Yeah.
The entire length of it is like crosshat. Dude, rip, mate.
It's nice, is it?
Oh yeah, you could use it as a file. You wanna, yeah, just get on that side for us, Panda. Weigh it up.
And he's off. Oh yeah, I'm on. Fish on. Oh yeah, lost him. No. Just. Got it. Yep, and lift. Yep, good. Not too hard on him. Just fight him. There you go. He hasn't even fucking fought yet. Hold on, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked.
Look at that.
No, he's barely hooked. Just watch it.
Nicely done.
Where's those pliers? Bit of a rudimentary rig, but let's go. I don't want to lose any of these fish. Come on, baby. Now take off. Oh, he's... Just watch that prop, brother. Are you on? Saw a bit of commotion.
Yeah, I've seen some out there too.
Hey!
You on?
Oh! I think it's only a matter of time here, man.
You know it's inevitable.
And we're on.
Oh,
Oh. Oh no, you dropped him. It was the bait. I remember I got a big bait on. That's got to be a fish. No, he's letting go.
there you go.
Oh,
Oh, something else came up and hit it.
oh yeah, good fish.
Oh,
Good fish. Good fish.
you want me to wind up and dig it and
No, just watch the line, man. I can't control a fish this big.
I might line mine in.
Just save him, then save him. We'll do a drift. Oh, you're on over here, bro. You're on over here. Are you above or below? Yeah, you got a fish on over here. Start reeling yours in. I think you're on.
No, I'm not.
No? What? There's a goal. Oh, chuck it out to the left. Chuck it. No, just chuck it. No, chuck it to the left. All good, all good. Oh, he's not too bad. He should go for another run. Sorry, yeah. I think it's similar size to the first one. Oh, you'll get yours, bro. Just let it drift back. You'll get yours, trust me. Oh, Dave.
Oh yeah, mine's nice.
Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oi. We're not heading for that FAD, are we? Oh yeah, I gotta go forwards here.
Right.
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna need to go forwards.
Oh yeah. Yeah, good job. That's enough. You're good.
Don't want to take a chance there. You wrap around the FAD, you're in trouble.
Yeah.
Good sized fish, this one, Dave. Oh, awesome.
This one's got a rom all the way to it. This one's probably the big.
Fuck yeah.
Bad on rope. No, he's not out.
No, you went over it, didn't you? Oh no, pull.
I don't want to go near that. Nice fish.
Oh, he's good. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Do it.
Woo! Oh no. Yep. come on, you need another one, bro. That's a Mahi run, bro. Oh, I got a good one. I got a good one. Yeah, he's a good one, bro. Oh, no.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, no, James.
Get another
Oh,
one.
Dave. Fuck.
I'm coming around.
No.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hold on, hold on. Dude, I just lost a huge one. Did you see him?
Yeah, he dives out.
Now you know what I mean by the last one didn't fight?
Yeah, this one's a bit bigger. You got a jag? You got a jag?
Yeah, where's that? I got a fish here. I got a fish here.
Oh, you get me off.
Yes, sweet. You need to retie that leader.
I was still got a little bit of later.
Oh, dude, I missed out on a reeling. You saw him. It was fucking huge. Here, chuck us that gaff, please, brother.
You want me to gap it?
Yeah, give it a go.
Is this the gap?
No, the little guy.
Oh, you still got your fish too.
Ow!
Sorry, I should put him in it.
No.
You want me to chuck him in?
Just kick him in. Just gaff him in the head. Fuck. So you want to put it across the top of his head and pull it backwards. Yeah. Exactly. And then you tell the guy to free spool and you're sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Hold it. Woo! Oh my god, I lost the biggest fucking...
He's still alive.
He's still
keep
good.
Keep him in there, he's good. He's still kicking. Oh, you.
Go, chuck it. Good towards the FAD, Dave, if you can. Oh shit. Yeah, just yeah, we're still got many. Yeah.
Oh, they're getting around it. Oh, yep.
Yeah, again. Cast like this, Dave, like boof.
Alright.
So the lure doesn't go over the boat.
Yeah, got it. A bit faster, maybe.
Fast, yeah. Not let it always be in the water, I think.
They're coming up and having a look.
Watch out. Thanks, Dave. Yeah, sorry bro, he's doing laps. You cool, Panda? Yeah, you lose a few. Don't worry, we'll get them back at the end of the day. There we go, boys.
Nice job, beautiful. God. Oh, you had to go.
Get him. They had a little go.
I need a match, they had to be closer.
Well, he had one serve up.
Period.
It's under the boat, you got yourself on that side.
Huh?
Got yourself on that side and right up.
I'm over here.
I need a bit of deck in the bit bucket.
He's just an angry boy. Oh, ho, ho.
Who else is running? Settle down, Snoopy.
Yeah, decent. Can I get my gaff, please, Panda?
Yeah, little one.
Yeah, check me my gaff. Check me my gaff. I'll show you.
You don't mind if I get involved on this side?
Yeah, just don't hook me, please, Dave. That was a nice little.
Sick. Oh, it's got a friend. Beautiful.
Oh shit.